In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci retracement on Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know how to draw it, adjust it, and make sense of what the levels are telling you on both desktop and mobile. First, a quick overview. Fibonacci retracement is a tool that plots horizontal lines between a chosen high and low to highlight potential support and resistance during a pullback. The most commonly watched levels are 0.0, 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 100%. Think of them as areas where price may pause, bounce, or reverse after a strong move, helping you plan entries, exits, or stops with more structure. Start by opening your MT5 chart and choosing the market and time frame you want to analyze, for example, a major Forex pair on the 1-hour or daily chart. Pick a clear trend or a strong impulse move so the tool has meaningful anchors. On desktop, select the Fibonacci retracement tool by clicking Insert in the top menu, then Objects, then Fibonacci, then Retracement. You can also use the Line Studies toolbar icon if it's visible. On mobile, tap the chart, tap the Objects icon, choose Add Object, and select Fibonacci retracement. Now draw it. In an uptrend, click or tap at the swing low and drag up to the swing high. In a downtrend, start at the swing high and drag down to the swing low. Aim for obvious swing points rather than tiny fluctuations. This gives you cleaner levels. As soon as you release, MT5 plots the retracement lines between those two anchors. After drawing, you can fine-tune the placement. You'll see small handles on the ends of the tool. Drag them to reposition the start or end if your anchors need a nudge. On desktop, right-click the lines and open Properties, then the Fibo Levels tab to add or remove percentages and even rename labels. You can also adjust colors or line thickness to make the levels stand out on your chart. Interpreting the lines is where the value shows up. During a pullback in an uptrend, a dip into the 38.2% to 61.8% area is common. A bounce from one of those levels can hint that the trend is resuming. In a downtrend, rallies into those same levels can act as resistance, and a turn lower may signal continuation. Treat levels as zones rather than exact prices, and watch how candles behave as price approaches them. Confluence, such as a trend line or prior swing high lining up with a Fibonacci level, often strengthens the area's significance. That's the process. Pick your chart, select the tool, draw from swing to swing, adjust as needed, and read the levels as potential turning points within a trend. Practice on different time frames to build confidence and let the levels guide your planning without dictating it.